Good morning to all. I am Himanshu Dusane and today we will be continuing our last chapter, which is quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, as you all know, the polynomial equation which is having the degree of 2 is called the quadratic equation. So it will be having the two roots. Now we have to see that how we can find out the roots by the formula method. Suppose we are given with the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we have to find out the roots by the formula method. X is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here the two roots will be x is equal to first minus b first plus b square minus 4ac by twice a, and second root will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So these two will be the roots for the quadratic equation, which is given by minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by twice of a. Let us take one of the example to how we can solve this with the formula method. We are having an equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. We are having the quadratic equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now identifying the coefficient a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to plus 3. Now we have to substitute all these values in this formula. Formula is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by twice of a. Now substituting these values, minus b will be minus of minus 7 plus minus under root b square. B square will be minus 7 square minus 4. A is 2 and c is 3. Divide by twice of a. A is 2. Minus into minus will be plus 7 plus minus under root 7 square will be 49 minus 2 3 is 6. 6 into 4 will be 24 by 2 2s are 4. We are getting this value. Now further solving this, 7 will be as it is plus minus under root 49 minus 24. 9 minus 4 will be 5 and 4 minus 2 will be 5. 2. We will be getting 4 under root of 25. This 25 can be written as 5 into 5 or 5 square. 5 square under root 7 plus minus 4. This under root will get cancelled out with this square. We will be getting 7 plus minus 5 divided by 4. First taking the positive value 7 plus 5 by 4, and second value we are taking 7 minus 5 by 4. 7 plus 5 will be 11. 7 plus 5 will be 12 by 4. This will get cancelled out and this will be 3. 7 minus 5 will be 2 by 4. Simplifying this, will be getting 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 comma 1 by 2 is the required solution. Now let us move to our second topic, word problems in the quadratic equation. How we can change the word problems into the quadratic expression. I hope you got the idea how we can solve with the formula method. question is the difference of square of two numbers is 180. The difference of a square of two numbers is 180. Let the first number be, let first number be x and second number be y. Now here it is given that the difference of square of two numbers is 180. Difference of a square, x square minus y square is 180. Difference of square of two numbers is 180. The square of the smallest number is 8 times. The square of the smallest number is 8 times. The square of smallest number is 8 times the larger number. The larger number. Find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. Now, substituting this y square in this first equation. This is our first equation. Substituting the y square in the first equation, we will be getting x square minus 8x is equal to 180. Now, taking the 180, x square minus 8x minus 180 is equal to 0. Now, you can use splitting the middle term, completing the square and formula method for solving this equation. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 8 and C is equal to 1 minus 180. I am using the formula method. X is equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4AC upon twice of A. Now, x is equal to minus b. b is minus 8 plus minus under root b square will be minus 8 square minus 4. A is 1. C is minus 180 upon twice of A. Now, minus into minus will be plus, so this will be 8 plus minus minus 8 square. 8 is 64 under root 64 minus into minus will be plus 4 into 180. 4 zeros are 0. 8 fours are 24. 2 over here and 4 ones are 4, 5, 6. 640 will be the number divided by 29. Now further solving this, adding these two numbers, we will be getting 64 plus 640. So it will be 4, 10, 704 under root of 704. So x is equals to 8 plus minus under root 704 upon 29 is the answer for the required given equation. We can further solve this equation or the numbers if we want. Now let us move to our next topic, which is nature of the roots. Nature of the roots is given by the term called discriminant. Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac Now let us see nature of the roots. Nature of the roots shows that the roots are real or imaginary or equal or distinct, how the roots are. So for that we use one term called discriminant. it is denoted by d and its value is b square minus 4ac. If suppose we are having d greater than 0, means we are having the positive value, then roots are real and distinct, and graph will be cutting x-axis at two distinct points, alpha and beta. This is our x-axis. Graph will be cutting the x-axis at two distinct points. If suppose we are having d is equal to 0, if we are getting by putting the value in this, we will be getting d is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal, means alpha is equal to beta. If alpha and beta are the two roots of the quadratic equation, then the values are equal and graph will be touching the x-axis. Graph will be touching the x-axis, means alpha is equal to beta. Now, if d is less than 0, then roots are imaginary, means d is negative and if the roots are imaginary, means the graph is not touching or not intersecting the x-axis or the y-axis. So we will be getting this kind of graph. So in this manner we can find out the nature of the root. Let us see one of the example from the NCERT book, how we can solve such kind of problems. Question says that, this is from the exercise 4.4 NCERT book, and question says this: find the value of k for which of the following quadratic equation so that they have two equal roots. Condition is given, we are having two equal roots. Condition is we are having two equal roots. Two equal roots means we are having d is equal to 0, which says that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And we have to find out the value of k. And the expression is given for first is 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the given expression and this is the given condition. Now, first identifying the coefficients. A is equal to 2, B is equal to k and C is equal to 3. Now, the condition is D is equal to 0, means B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Substituting these values in this, we will be getting B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. B square is k square minus 4, A is 2, C is 3 is equal to 0. 2 to 6 4 the 24 minus k square is equal to 0. Taking this 24 over here, we will be getting 24 k square. So k is equal to under root 24. This 24 can be further simplified. We can write as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We can take out the pair of 2 outside. So it will be 2 root 6 plus minus k is equal to 2 root 6 is the answer for the required equation. So I hope you know all the topics from the quadratic equation. If you are having any doubt, please let me know. Thank you for